Imagine having the power to make informed, data-driven decisions for all maintenance initiatives. With HxGN EAM, our leading enterprise asset management solution, you can achieve exactly that. Its robust cloud architecture provides a highly secure, scalable, and accessible solution to digitally transform your maintenance operations. As a multi-tenant cloud solution, it reduces the burden of maintaining servers and other IT infrastructure and provides a scalable platform that can be quickly implemented by any organization. HxGN EAM tracks all assets through operational life cycles, ensuring critical work is performed promptly and effectively. With clear insight into your asset performance and overall cost of ownership, HxGN EAM helps to reduce downtime and boost productivity. Understanding the status of your equipment's condition, inventory, and maintenance personnel is key. Through integrated analytics, HxGN EAM provides visibility into crucial assets, effectively prioritizing maintenance activities. Leverage statistical models, machine learning, and task automation to improve work processes and enhance efficiency. HxGN Alix, our out-of-the-box AI assistant, accessible from the HxGN EAM toolbar, is designed to assist users in real time. HxGN Alix provides guidance on using HxGN EAM, offering insights, handling complex questions, and automating repetitive tasks, making operations more streamlined. Advanced visualization capabilities make complex scenarios easy to understand by integrating diagrams, 3D models, and maps. With rising retirement rates and increasing labor shortages, it's vital for your teams to be as efficient as possible. HxGN EAM optimizes work with advanced scheduling and dispatching capabilities. These tasks can be automated using rules, triggers, or other thresholds to begin maintenance activities. The workforce today expects modern technology while on the job. By extending robust desktop capabilities into a mobile application, HxGN EAM Mobile delivers a consumer-grade solution that eliminates the need for paper processes and improves employee efficiency. Our applications automatically stay up to date, function in connected and disconnected modes, and are ready to use right out of the box. With HxGN EAM Mobile, field personnel can follow comprehensive and responsive checklists and access images and documents to pinpoint the right equipment and parts for accurate inspections and cost regulation. Take control of your data landscape with HxGN EAM. Our open APIs and flexible integration layer ensure that you always have access to the right data at the right time. With configuration at its core, HxGN EAM offers a tailored user experience that aligns with your unique business processes. Enhance efficiency, ensure compliance, and modernize your asset management to deliver exceptional value across every stage of the asset lifecycle.